Hey, Quad, thank you. What's poppin', Slime? What's going on, everybody? Good morning from Thailand. It is morning for me. Oh, hey, Data Sherpa. Nice to see you. Thank you for that. Thank you, thank you, thank you. What's going on, everybody? How's everybody is? I'm assuming it's got to be evening for all of you, right? Hey, Meta. Stream surprise. I'm trying out a new time. I tried it out yesterday because I had to go get a haircut, and it was like during my normal stream time. And I kind of liked the way that it felt to stream in the morning and then after that go to the gym and then come back and work, because the way my schedule was that I was streaming and then for a few hours and then jumping right on to teaching virtually all night, and I felt like there was no break from the screen. So I'm trying this out where I stream and then I step away from the computer, go work out, and then come back to the computer to kind of like break up that, I don't know, like my eyes were feeling crazy, my body was feeling crazy for just staying at the computer for so long. So I'm just trying it out. We'll see how it goes. But welcome, everybody. I hope you guys are having a good, I think it's evening for most of you. So I hope you're having a good evening. Hey, FedEx, welcome. I think that's a bot, but okay. Let me get into it. Hopefully I'm gonna run my my daily math lesson in. It's been going really, really well with the kids. Hey, Data, what is vibe coding? Vibe coding is using AI to build web apps and applications and really anything that you want without any technical coding experience. Welcome. Welcome, welcome, welcome. So I've been doing this every day since now I have this pro plan, and I got a reset again last night. Like I had just gotten a reset, but I've been doing this daily for my kids, my students, not my kids. Taking their boring ass curriculum, throwing it into Codex, and then making it more interactive and clickable for them, because I mean, if you live in the United States and you know anything about the education system, you know that it's freaking broken, and I'm required to follow a curriculum and a script and not really go off of it. So I'm trying to stay with the content of the curriculum, but make it more interactive for them, because they were just watching me go through slides and I saw their souls being ripped out of their bodies, and I don't want that for the kids. So they've been able to like click through with me. I'm getting positive feedback, so I'm gonna keep doing it. Oh, Data, you want to learn this? Cool. So welcome. We're all learning together. I'm fairly new to it, so stick around. The Data Sherpa Codex is super liberal. I know, it's so nice. Hey, Guild, what's going on? Oh, Guild, when I get to the game, I can't wait to show you. I mean, I didn't build it. It was J35, but I mean, hopefully I can get that running today, because it did make my stream crash yesterday. But I learned a lot yesterday, actually, thanks to Josh. Josh got on a Discord call with me, and he really taught me a lot. So even though the stream crashed at the end of the day, it was a good stream, because I really did learn. You know that I was focusing because there was no music going on in the background. No, guys, 14 people. Oh, thanks, Quad. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. What did I learn? I learned about, what was it called again? I know what it is. I just forgot the name of it. Look at me. I was such a good student yesterday, and now I forget what it was called. Oh, Railway. I learned about Railway. And the way Josh explained it to me was that Railway and GitHub are similar in a way, but different. Like they both store your code in a way, but GitHub is a place to store your code, while Railway is a place to display it when you need a server, right? Something along those lines. Because Guild, I don't know, you probably remember the last time that you were here, I ran into an issue with Upstash, and I didn't even know that I was using Upstash or what it was. Yeah, it runs the code basically, yeah. So he did teach me about that. You use it every day, and use the CLI tool especially. Yeah, and he explained CLI to me very clearly. I mean, I've kind of known what it was, but it's so hard to actually, for me, all these vocabulary words. And, you know, I'm a teacher, I'm an educator, so I'm big on vocabulary and actually understanding what they mean. But that the CLI is basically a means of communication, right? Between the platforms. So, like, if you think we could talk on the phone or text message or by mail. So these were all things that happened on stream yesterday. GitHub's a hard drive, Railway would be a virtual PC. GitHub is a hard drive, Railway would be virtual. Oh, wait. You said yesterday, I saw your message in Josh's chat. It's Yeko, right? That's how you say your name. Railway would be the virtual PC. It's a good way to look at it. Okay, nice. I like to pronounce it Python. What AI subscriptions do I need to take? Data, that's up to you. I'm on day 77, and I just, what was it? It was on, I'll never forget. It was on day 69 that I finally upgraded to a pro plan on Codex. So I was using Claude for a long time when I first started vibe coding. And then I started dabbling with Codex, and I just found personally that I like Codex better. So when it was time for me to upgrade my subscription, I chose to upgrade Codex, but I still have my $20 Claude subscription. Yeko. Yeko! MacBook is the only way to code. Yeah, Tom, I'm looking into getting a new MacBook as well, but I'm just waiting for the Pro M6 to come out. That's why I haven't upgraded my device yet. Like, I'm getting impatient because of what happened yesterday, but I need to just wait because I feel like the Pro M6 is going to come out soon. So I just want to wait and splurge for that. You're coding on a BlackBerry. Damn, a BlackBerry? That's a throwback, Quad. That is a throwback. Damn. Wait, Quad, did you ever have a Sidekick? That was my favorite phone ever. That or a Nextel. That was my favorite. Those were my two favorite phones. I could definitely see vibe coding from a Sidekick. Definitely not a Nextel. Personally, I like Claude best, so I have the $100 Claude Codex sub. I use them both. Yeah, I think it's just a personal preference, you know, like I like Codex, and I think they both get the job done, you know what I'm saying? So Data, I guess I would say Data, play around with both, and see which one you like better before upgrading to a more expensive subscription. Like, I'm happy that I waited and used both and then made my own decision based on my workflow. I had a Sidekick. Makes sense. Okay, GPT is good to learn. Yeah, Tom. Yeah, we need to bring the Sidekick back. I need that back. That phone was lit. How about the Nokia walkie-talkie phones? I was talking, the walkie-talkie phones, I was talking about the Nextel. Nextel with the chirping. Claude better do something big. Coating on a blackberry chocolate right now. Hey, Jay. Good morning. Well, it's probably, I think it's noon over there. Dropping all the knowledge on how we should be doing things. My text alert is the next. No way. How'd you get that sound? I missed that. I would be chirping all the time. Yeah. So first I'm going to throw my, my daily lesson in, and then we'll get back to that game that Jay was so lovely to give to me. That game makes me so happy. Like, I was watching myself back playing it, but I am scared to open it. I'm not going to lie. Like, I'm terrified. Or no, we also discussed Pure.js. I'll show you, because we kind of, you were here when I was doing the racing game and the what was it? The collectible game. That it was all kind of just a mess, and I'm not saying I'm ditching it. I was just learning, you know, I've never built a game before, but then Jay came through with this game that I fell in love with. And now I really do want to build upon that. It's kind of more of what I wanted to do to begin with, but maybe didn't know how to explain the vision fully. So we're gonna take a look. Let me just throw this in to Codex first, because this is simple and I just need to get this. This is my daily gift to my students. A gift, but I'll vibe code them an actual gift once we get to know each other a little bit better. He is everywhere, and and I'm just so happy that with as busy as he is and everywhere that he is, that he's still able to come here. You're ready to play? Okay, it's still a little buggy. Actually, Quad, I think you might like it. It's super fun, but let me just throw this in. Okay. I need you to do something similar with today's lesson. I attached the PDF version of the lesson slides and the actual lesson plan here. Make sure that the formatting is correct. I noticed some formatting bugs in yesterday's lesson, and also make sure you create some type of scratch pad like you did with the geometry lessons, where we can actually write with a pencil so we can show our work in real time together. Ugh, I knew it. Oh my God! Hi, Josh! Hi, Josh! I'm actually scared, though, to run this and then open up the game. Maybe more. I got banned from 1 to 2 for some of my takes. Oh no, you got banned? I can't see you getting banned. Data Sherper. Did it fix it? Yeah, so that's what we did at the end, Jay. Yeah, 2 days in a row, Josh. I'm testing it out. I'm kind of liking it, like breaking up my time at the computer with the gym. Okay. Let's do something similar with today's lesson. I attached the PDF version of the lesson slides and the actual lesson plan here. This time around, just make sure all the formatting is correct. I noticed some formatting issues in yesterday's lesson. And let's also add a space where the students and I can show our work with a pencil, like a little whiteboard. Similar to what we have for the geometry lessons, but applicable to this math content. How can I implement AI into my 3D work? Any suggestions? Ooh, data. Data Explorer, not Data Sherpa. Wow, we got a Data Explorer and a Data Sherpa, guys. How crazy is that? I would actually speak to, if you join the Discord, there is a member of the community. His name is Pro Panda. He does really, really good 3D work. I would connect with him. I mean, I don't wanna volunteer him, but he does really good work. Maybe I could connect you guys. I'll talk to him. I'm putting the Discord in the chat, Data Explorer. If you could join, I can try to get you in touch with him, but he does a lot of 3D work. I'm definitely, and maybe somebody in the chat can help you as well. I don't have experience in that, so I'm not the right one to ask, but there are a lot of great people in this community that could definitely help you with that. I dropped a link into a game I've been working on. And okay, thank you, Guild. I'll check that later. Thank you so much. I know you're a game dev, so I definitely want to look into that. Hi, I think if you can change the timing of your live stream, this would be so much better for most countries. This is not the ideal time, especially for this type of... Okay, Rami. Thanks. I'm a very busy gal, so I'm just trying to fit it in while I can. Data Explorer, don't listen to negativity. Okay, so now the game. Guys, I'm really scared. I'm scared to open it. Like, I'm truly scared to open it. Let me see. Yeah, learn exactly, Data Sharper. Learn all the things. Oh my God, he's here. Pro Panda, I was just talking about you. Pro Panda. I'm so happy that you're here. I have somebody new here, Data Explorer. Oh, and Trav, you said this time's better. Hi, Trav. Yeah, Pro Panda coming in with the clutch. So I have a viewer here, who just asked, where is their chat? Where was I? Oh, how can I implement AI into my 3D work? Any suggestions? And I immediately thought of you, because I can't really answer that question, but I said, I put the Discord link and I was like, maybe you can connect with Pro Panda because he does a lot of great 3D work. So if you have any suggestions for the Data Explorer, that would be great. All right, so the game now. Let's... Terrified. Thanks, Jay. I'm scared. Who's that in the pool? That's Ultra. That's Ultra, guys. You've never met Quad, you've met Ultra before. That's Ultra in the pool. I mean, the sun, he's being whitewashed right now. So it's just Ultra. And then you can answer, okay. Is that a bird in the pool? That's my flamingo. Okay, let me just, I'm so scared to open this. Maybe I should put Codex down here. Maybe that will help, I don't know. Hey, Digital Nomad Media. All right, let's see what happens. Am I alive still? I'm still alive. Okay. Let me just try maybe. I'm still alive. I'm still alive. Maybe I should just try first the practice solo offline. I don't know if hosting a party was, but I think we kind of fixed it yesterday. I think what was happening at the end of the stream is that Codex itself was testing everything, but I'm not sure. But let me just see. Okay. I love this game so much. Ah, all the bots. Okay, slow and steady wins the race. Ah! I'm like jumping with it. I'm such an idiot. It's American Ninja Warrior. Okay. Okay, I can just run through this, right? Ah, don't knock me off. Ah. Ah! Okay. Okay. Yeah, that's okay. That's round one. I think, is that all I have here? Okay. So that it's so cute. I love it so much. Untick and add the okay. Untick the add the vibe bots. Okay. Thanks for the info. Okay, Pro Panda proving that they're a true pro. Yeah. Oh, it's like Fall Guys. Yeah. I think it would work better without servers where everyone speedruns each round on their own device. Okay, Josh. So let me, oh, you said that to Jay, but maybe let me tell Codex that. Good start. Well, Data Sherpa, it's all thanks to Jay though. Like I can't take credit for it. Hi Whizzle of Oz. What a name. Sorry, I'm all in the YouTube chat. And Galactic Nova Fox. Welcome. Even looks like a game from an ad I've seen before. Try multiplayer, but untick the vibe bots. Okay, 3 days on the, okay. But true multiplayer is fun. Yeah, it is. I just don't want to, Guild, I don't want to crash the stream. That's what happened yesterday. I crashed the stream. It will remove the fun factor. Okay. I actually want it so the characters can, okay. So what should I do now to test it? Can I give it to you guys? And then what do? Host a party? Or should I work on something else with it? I think what happened yesterday is that Codex was doing all these tests. We can try, okay. Okay, fine. Jay's gonna host a party. Okay, perfect. So, okay, yeah, Jay will host a party. All right, y'all. It's my device, Guild. It's my device. It's not, it's me. It's a me problem. Okay. Join as a player. Am I alive? Who is this Jilly? It's not me. I'm Princess Jillia. Okay. Oh, there's Quad. Ah! So many people. Oh, now with everybody in here, it's much harder. Get out of my way, guys. Ah! What happened? Oh, it keeps like... Or maybe I'm probably just doing something wrong. The lag? What lag? The stream is lagging or what's lagging? Or the game? The game is, right? It's not me, right? Oh, okay. Right, the game is desyncing, okay. Oh, Edwin! Edwin, okay, okay. Okay. Edwin! Okay, we need fixes, so what do I need to fix? Edwin. So it's not lagging for him in the game. Okay. It's hard not to. Basically, you need to do a multiplayer server stability optimizations and gameplay loop mechanics upgrade. Okay. Okay. How do I do this in a safe way? I'm gonna close this out right now. Because whatever happened yesterday, just send, right. No, I just don't want Codex to go in and do all those, like, those tests in the browser again. It was fun, right, Data Sherpa? I don't want it to do what it did yesterday. When it was working, what did I ask it to do? It needed to fix the multiplayer. Hey, Ultra! How are you feeling? I know that you're sick. The king, guys, the king is sick. Hello, he said. The king. Yeah, fingers crossed. Okay, so let me just put what you said, Yako, in. Dead, haven't slept. But you need rest. Ultra, if you're sick, you need rest. Look at me over here being mom. You need to rest. You're sick too? Oh no. Hey, Junkyard. I'm just gonna say, keep in mind that yesterday, after I sent the last prompt, whatever you were doing made my stream crash because you were doing a lot of tests. Is there any way to avoid that here? Please let me know before you start Okay. Chill out, boys. I'm not 12. I ain't 12. I wouldn't say gameplay loop and mechanic upgrades, just do optimizations first. Ask it not to test you, will manual. Okay, okay. Okay, all right. So do a multiplayer server stability optimization. Right? Yeah. Yeah. Okay, and then just say, do not test it. I will manually test it. Yeah. Well, Quad, let me not comment. Not everybody. I'm gonna keep my mouth shut. So do not test. I will manually test it. Okay. How much tokens does it use? Men in tights? Oh, Ultra, you left. Speechless. I am speechless. I'm at a loss for words. Thank you, Quad. Yes, doing is learning. Doing is learning. And I know that as a teacher myself. And that's what I'm doing. And you want to know what? This is just real talk. It also has to be fun for me. Okay? And I'm having fun. And I'm learning my way. I mean, I feel like from day one, I've learned how to build a bunch of different things. I don't need to justify it anyway, though. I'm having a good time, and that's what's most important. That is what's most important. I just would like to tell people how to spend their money. Data Sherpa. Don't tell me what to do. Don't tell me how to spend my money. Yeah, just keep doing it. Yeah, exactly. Data Explorer. Yako. Oh, shit. All right, so far so good. We're just gonna let it run. I mean, it just started. This is on step 2 of 5 for the kiddos tonight. Damn, these kids for this class too, they're huge. One of them is like 6'5". He's huge. Just wait until you get to spend other people's money. It's the best. Are you a tech professional? Dihan. Hi, Dihan. No, I am not. By trade, I am a virtual math teacher. Ultra, I didn't do a vote yesterday for the 3rd mod. You know, I don't know. Well, I know who I want it to be, but he don't want to be my mod. So, and you want to know what? I don't blame you. With the shenanigans that have been going on, I don't even blame you. I really don't. Right. The two people that I want to be mod, and both of them rejected me because who wants to deal with the shenanigans up in here? I don't even blame you. I literally don't even blame you. Oh my god, you guys are so funny. I literally can't even blame anybody. Who would even want to? Hey, big boss. Huh, Ultra? No, I'm saying, well, I didn't vote on a third mod. I'm also proceeding with a lot of caution with the mods, you know. I have some trust issues now. So I don't, and somebody did say it best. I forget who it was. That you don't want a chat full of mods, right? That I know there are some streamers that just make anybody mod for any reason, and they have to, like, it has to be people who are bringing legitimate value, you know, not just for shits and giggles. So either of you, okay. 1 point for using VS Code is just looking at the code can help you start to learn and be comfortable with it. Jillian, do you know who else was a school teacher? A guy named Jack Ma. He became the richest in the world. No way, Tom Tom. No way, Tom Tom. Sounds like a good streaming idea for you to run with. Data. Instead, it's 3D. Stop saying you're only a teacher. A teacher is another member of society who teaches the youth. Oh, well, Tom, you know what it is, though? It's like, it's just that in the United States, they took you guys, they took the word professional out of being a teacher. We're no longer considered professionals anymore. And, you know, if I want to apply for jobs in other fields and my resume is teacher, right? People just look at me as a teacher. Mind you, I'm a manager, I'm a planner, all of that. So, Slimy, where can I learn from you? I'm a Bridgeline stream mod, so I mean, you have credentials. Make AI the mod. I accept being mod on one condition, only to have the flashy shield. So you just want to have the flashy shield, Ultra. How much for a private lesson? Oh my goodness. You were stuck in a Democrat hellhole. I get it. I left as well. Yeah, for sure. I was still stuck on the C. Hey, Azor. Welcome, welcome. The until condition scares me. What if you stop teaching tomorrow? Will you stop by cloning? Oh, no, Azor. No. No. I know what you're saying. The title. I just changed it a few days ago, Azor. You haven't been here. You missed all the drama, Azor. You missed a lot. You need to go watch day 75. Azor, you have missed. And read my Discord message that I wrote to everybody. You missed a lot. F New York. Stuck on learning. There are not good people in New York. Yeah, it's true. Are you a game day? Okay, you guys keep talking. Let me see what this is doing. No worries, Azor. No worries. You know, I know that you're busy and you're building. It's just a lot went down. So when you get a chance, just read my message and then you'll just understand a little more. This song is perfect for what happened. Let's test it. Yeah. Sorry, I'm just reading the chat. Open sesame. Okay, let's test it. So, am I going to host it now? All right, Josh, thank you so much for stopping by. I know it's past your bedtime. I appreciate you being here even for a bitty. Thank you, Josh. Enjoy your sleep. Thank you, guys. I mean, not guys. Thank you, Josh. Say thank you to Josh. He was so helpful yesterday. Oh, Lord. Okay. Guys, let's just all hope that slime finds some peace. That's all I want. That's all I want for him, is to find some peace. That's it. That's all I want for everyone. Okay. All right, so should I host a party? This is what I'm scared to do. Yeah, let's vibe code some peace. Drink some tea, yeah. Okay. Let's see if I'm still alive when I do this. Yes, please, Quad. Oh no, this is not the Vercel app. Hold on. Shush, Ultra. Okay. Am I alive still? No. Something is... Okay, I think I'm okay. Ultra. Ultra is a comedian these days. I've learned that Ultra is a comedian. Stream crashed? What do you mean? Ultra! Oh my god. You guys. Ultra is a comedian these days. No, but you guys, especially the two of you together just have been making me laugh so much these days. A dangerous duo. A dangerous duo, the two of you. Okay, hold on. I need to focus. But I'm hosting it, so I will, like you guys were saying last time, Jay was hosting it. Oh, Edwin, I'm standing up every single time. Ultra, you should have seen me yesterday. I did so well. Shh. Oh my god. I want to actually do this in real life. Oh, okay. All right, let me see what the chat is saying. Now I'm just full. Yo, all right, hold on. Just release the world. I texted you. Hey, VJ, when did you text me? When did you text me? There has been a lot of crap going on in the Discord, so I'm sorry if you texted me a while ago. I've been trying to manage the shenanigans that have been going on. There is a band named Madness. They're from the UK. They made a song all about me? What? Look at her panic. Oh my god. Even though in my screen I went through lobby, but it shows my character at the start. Like how she I like how she jumps. Like fall from a cliff, skydive. Because you clearly not jumping the platforms. Ultra! You beat it 3 times, but in your screen, it shows my character at the start. In my screen, it shows your character at the start, but in your screen, I'm at the end. Okay, 2 days back. Okay, VJ, I'm gonna look again. I'm so sorry. There's been a lot going on. Okay, so then what do I need to... So then what do we need to do here? Ultra. I think I would actually be better at it in real life, Ultra, than playing it. I'm gonna be honest. How can I describe what's happening to you, Jay? Okay, thank you, Ultra. Now he's being serious and not playing me. for a moment. Oh no, why'd you delete it? Oh, I was gonna say, why did you delete the message? And now I see why. Who would have known that you were so funny? Why are you messing with me, Ultra? If you keep doing that, I'm really gonna believe you. Oh no, the stream delay for you. Sorry. Okay. Jillian, meanwhile, play that game. Okay. All right, I'll play it. It's so fun. See? Okay, fine. I'll play it. I'll play it. Should I play it just as a single player? It is fun. Oh my god, I'm jumping like an idiot. I can't help it though. Like I can't help but jump. Okay, I'll play it and then I have to be. Wow, Ultra. No, but you're different. Yeah, single player. Oh my god. Okay. Yeah, single player, untick the bots. Okay. Let me just put this here. All right, all right, all right. All right. I'm just gonna put it as... Well, we also need to change this where I can make my name longer. All right, I'm gonna play it. But who is this Jillian with a heart? See, that's like confusing me also. Okay. I need to do well, otherwise Ultra's gonna troll me. Slow and steady though, okay? I'm gonna move really slow. Why am I jumping like an idiot? I can't help it. I can't help it. Why am I jumping? I like cannot not physically jump. Okay, I need to calm down and get serious. My hands are sweating. My hands are sweating. I'm not looking at the chat. I'm not looking at the chat. Aw. Ultra, I was doing so well yesterday. Where were you yesterday? Where were you yesterday? Okay. Magnetic motion. I'm almost there. I'm almost there. No! You're going to get trolled either way. I know. And now Millsy's here. Forget it, the three of you together. Ex-propaganda would have been a really crazy... Right, Azor? I beat her like 3 times. Knees weak, pits are sweaty, spaghetti on her knees. Others will create... Wow! Clearly not here because... Yeah, no, you weren't here. Ask Josh. Josh was telling me... Josh was also... You know, he was hyping me up. He was saying I was cooking. I was cooking. About the game, though, Roblox has a lot of these games called obbies. Short of obstacle lobbies. Okay, that makes sense. I don't know the song. This song? Look how she jumps out of her seat. Okay, alright. Oh, there's confetti. Why do I have confetti? Wait, why am I back here? Oh, wait. Did it? Oh, because I think it fixed something. All right, hold on. Let me go back. Let me start over. Time to stand. I'm already standing. All right. It's very hard for me to play this with you guys distracting me. I swear I can do better. I can definitely do better. Yes, code fixes. Code fixes. You guys making me nervous. Okay, position synchronization fix. So should we try again? Should I host a party again? What is that? I'm scared. Is this a prank? Oh my god, what? Oh my god! Oh. It is a really good invitation. And whoever made this, I have to say, you did your research, because this is an actual real place. You've been hacked. Well, Ultra, I have to say, I really love, though, no joke, I really love the car photo. Okay, let me host a party, guys. Or wait, hold on. Actually, let me go back and remove the bots. The car photo, the car photo. That car photo is like sick. Oh my God. Okay, Jade, let me know, or everybody, let me know if that fixes everything. Oh, mother. Oh, everybody's so fast. I'm over here. Oh, Jay's coming back. He's trying to distract me. Okay. I made it to the platform, y'all. But don't knock me off. Don't knock me off the freaking platform. Ah! No, 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 no. Okay. I made it. I made it. I made it. I'm literally sweating. Still see a problem in my screen. I am far behind though, Jay. I think I was actually far behind. It's still kind of cooked. I was waiting at the end and it teleported you back. Okay. Okay. Hey, Jay. I'm giving you hearts. Okay. I'm spectating. All right. Let's do that. And then also, I want it to fix... I needed to fix the username situation. More characters. And be able to... Okay, thanks Data Sherpa. Thank you for joining. Hey Brandon Blue, welcome and also good night. I'll see you. Thanks for joining. Also, it already has the voting mechanic, I think, so you can next ask it to fix voting mechanic. Okay. Okay. It is a lot of fun though. So I'm having, obviously, as you see me jumping up and down. Jilly's husband? Who is Jilly's husband? Who is this? You guys are so funny. Okay, start round one. That's Josh from an alternate account. He went to sleep. You know, Grandpa's got to get his beauty sleep. Why are you asking who your husband is? Hey, John. Oh, you guys are funny. All right, Quad. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you. Thank you. I hope you have a good night. Oh my God, Millsy. Well, what are you guys like? You guys are really gonna pop off when he actually does come to Thailand. We'll take a picture together and we'll write AI or not, that's his game. That's his famous game, right? Audience builds the next round. Between rounds, there's a vote phase, each player. Okay, all right. So I will put that in next. I'll actually copy it in now. So, fixed voting mechanic, we said. I'm just gonna put it in. And then I'm just gonna copy. Where does it say, oh, where does it say that, Azor? I didn't even know you were talking about the game. You were like, I'm spectating. So I thought you were literally just saying I'm spectating. Audience builds next round. Chat literally. Okay, I'm just gonna put that in. So you're in and it just says that you're spectating? Well, I think now I'm playing, what am I playing? No, hold on, wait. Sorry, I'm looking at Codex. It's doing something. Oh, okay. Bye, Ultra. I hope you get some rest. I hope you feel better. At least you can still say funny when you're sick. So. Wow, Ultra. Wow. On the top bar next to timer, we can see the players and spectators. Oh, okay. Bye, Ultra. But joining and spectating, okay. It gave you a voting option. Oh, this is round 2 now. Now there's a round 2? Well, something just happened over here in Codex. Position snapshots were disabled in the lobby. I think host is not getting the voting screen. Okay. Damn. Round 2 actually really does actually knock you off though. In round 1 it doesn't knock you off so much. Okay. Oh shoot, this is gonna be. Ultra, what the? I cannot with you. Good night, Ultra. Get some rest. I think you have a fever. Ooh, okay. All right. Your love. Your love is angry. Oof, thank God. Wow, there's Jay at the end to greet me. Waiting for me. Oh, voting, voting. I see this voting now. Huh, interesting. Interesting, interesting, interesting. Okay, the chat pick. Okay, okay, okay. Wait, but what are you seeing? Finish the run all alone. Oh, okay, Azor, we gotta fix it for you. We gotta fix it for you. I don't want you to be alone. I don't want you to be alone. Damn, Jay is hopping. I'm just trying to figure out what this... I guess because I can't see the voting thing, so I don't know what that looks like. Oh, shit. I think I'm jumping too far. Whoa! Whoa! Oh, that's fun. I really do want to do this in real life. You had the voting thing. Go! We aren't on a server yet. Need some good backend, maybe a Roblox studio. Jump that high with the character? Oh my god. I need a trampoline. I love a trampoline. How do you... This is actually really hard to... Go! How do you get over there? Is it even possible? Oh, you're still here. Go! Oh, okay. All right, all right. I got it now. I got it. Oh. Okay. Okay, so you guys are getting... So, Jay, you said you're getting a voting system. A voting screen. I don't know what that looks like. I believe the rods are to be spinning. Yeah. Probably. Okay. So, wait. So now, Jay, I don't need this prompt anymore, right? What is this doing? This area needs to be a little bigger. Okay. Okay, so, all right, how do I fix what's happening to Azor? Oh, it's just letting me run through everything. What? How am I already on round 5? And then where do I even go from here? Oh, voting. Voting is happening. Edwin, I'm already standing. I'm sorry, Edwin. Need some updates now that it's stable. Okay. Okay, so how can we update it? I wish I could see like what you guys are seeing when the chat picks. I have no idea what that looks like. First, you got to fix the levels. Okay. All right. Yeah. No, you're right. You're right about that. The levels do need to be fixed. Gameplay loops and ensure levels. Okay. So, fix gameplay loops and ensure levels are winnable. Okay. Let's do that. Also, okay. Let me go back here, actually. Did it fix this? Oh, it won't let me use any spaces, but it did fix. Let's use characters now. Okay. So let's do that. Fix gameplay loops. And ensure oh, Azor, that's what I was talking about where I'm saying you missed a lot. Where you missed a lot of what happened the other day. Yeah. You missed a lot. But Azor was my first mod, and that's I mentioned you, Azor, like I didn't know the etiquette and stuff. But if you read my message on Discord, I mean, if you weren't on it, you probably missed what actually happened in the Discord because I deleted a lot of it, but there was a lot of profanity and there was a lot of name calling, negative energy, and I just did a whole reset on the foundation of the channel and the community, and the chat voted to start from scratch and nuke all the mods and start from the beginning. Yeah. Yeah. And, you know, obviously I felt funny about it. Yeah, it was a purge. I felt funny about it because majority of you guys have been nothing but amazing to me. And I know many of you have been nothing but respectful, but you know, it's just like, I feel like I'm just like in the classroom. It's always that, you know, it's always a few students that ruin the party. So, so I just had to do a cleanse and start over and start the foundation. And yeah, I don't think you wanted to be mod anyway. You were like, what? I'm mod? And that was when I was really like a newbie. I didn't even know. I just took advice from another streamer that was just like, you just assign mod to them. You don't even tell them. So what do I know? But now it's going to be based on a voting system, which is what, Azor, you told me that day that I made you mod, that's usually how it happens. And you know, but you know, Azor, you know that I love you. It's nothing, has nothing to do with you. But I had to do it forever. I had to do it just overall to be fair. You should see GTA RP Discords. Glad I don't ever mod them anymore. Oh no, oh my god. I can only imagine. Yako, I can only imagine. Yeah. But I do feel good about it. Like after I did that cleanse, like I just felt so much lighter. Thanks for understanding. For understanding that, and you know, most of us I think are adults about everything. But yeah. Okay. The whiteboard area where the students show their work needs to be much larger. Maybe we can provide a space for each question to show their work. Slime, your one joke about disrespect. That's actually wild coming from you. Because you're the king of respect. For a second, I thought you were saying I was dumb AF and disrespectful, and I was like, oh wow, he's taking ownership. But oops, I misread. Some people have never been whitelisted series roleplay server open game servers. and can't take a loss. Okay, you guys are talking. 3 workable options. Okay, let's see. Expandable. Let's see, is this done? Okay, this. He fixes host plays. All right, let's see if this was triggered automatically. It did not open the site, run the game, and perform. Then vote for Bounce Bazaar, Skinny Legends, and Fan Service. Oh, I wish I could see that. All right, let's see. Oh, I should have done it without the bots. Oh, well. That's okay. I'll get a head start anyway, since I'm slow. Oh, man. Edwin's gonna troll me. Edwin is gonna troll me. Well, someone's coming, I think. Oh no, nobody's there. Oh no, Yako's in there. Oh, no, no, no. I can cut 5M players some slack because they actually do creative stuff, but online, just jetpacks and inverted worlds. Hey, Rapid, welcome. Not much. How you doing? I'm Rapid. I'm going afterwards. I'm already dressed for the gym, so it's whenever I end the stream, I'm just gonna run it right to the gym. I'm trying to switch up my schedule and stream first, and then gym, and then I basically I stream for my full-time job. I'm a virtual math teacher. I am technically streaming, but I felt like I was doing my stream and then going right into work, and it was just so many hours of staring at the screen without breaking it up. So I'm just trying something different. I tried it yesterday, and I actually felt more productive that way. So I'm gonna see how it goes. I'm so fun to watch. I'm having fun. Okay, so yeah, I don't know if this, because I don't think anybody's in here. I'm gonna actually run it again. I'm gonna get rid of the bots. Do I? That's a good question. Well, let me see if I can get people in here. Oh, okay, see, 1 runner, 0 bots, and okay, Edwin's there. Hi, Edwin. Oh, oops, I started. Okay, well, it's the 3 of us, so. Oh, Edwin, you're so fast. Oh, man. Oh, man. Oh. Oh, Jay is there. Damn, he's so fast. How is he just hopping? No, see, I tried to go fast and it didn't work for me. Okay, Edwin, you keep coming back, so I'm not alone. I'm not alone. Slow and steady. Wins the race. Well, actually, well, I'm losing, so. Edwin, are you jumping out of your seat as well? Edwin, I know you're jumping out of your seat too. It's hard not to. All right, I'm sorry, Jay. I'm coming, I'm coming. Wow. Oh, what's this? All those things fall? Okay, that's cool. Hi. Runner here. You're a runner? Nice. You must add chat here. Oh, okay. We have some round results. One more. Well, I think now... Is this the vote? Is this the vote? What's this? Okay. Ooh. Where are the cookies? Okay, so the... How am I last? This round was easy. Look at us! Look at the squad. We're all like hugging. How cute is that? Okay, now what? Oh, I guess they're waiting for... I think some people stop playing and then... I don't know. See those tiles? I think one is the true path the player jumps on. If it's the wrong one, it falls. It looked like Millsy, as the player's running across it, they all fall. So you have to kind of wait. You have to wait for the person to finish. Okay. Let's do... Ooh, a pool. Oh, I see now. Okay. This is cool. Where the runner-ups are too. Hi, World Metrics. Welcome. Welcome in. Whoa, how did I spin? Oh man, now I got these balls. Gotta dodge these freaking balls. Edwin's getting his nails done. Oh, Azor, you let me beat you. I'm originally from New York City, but I live in Thailand. Where are you from, World Metrics? It's so much fun. This is so much fun. I'm building a few things right now. I'm building a community game. That's what we're all playing together. We're testing it out right now. And I'm a full-time virtual math teacher, so I'm also building things for them as well to make their lessons more engaging. Oh, you can just run through these. Oh no, I'm beating Jay. I'm beating Jay. How can I go faster? Wait, no, don't knock me off. No. Oh. Spectator mode after course completion is a must. Oh, okay. Meaning that meaning Azor, like after a round somebody can choose to be a spectator then and not keep going. I'll retry Opera Connection now and look for a specific one. All right, hold on, guys. I'm reading the chat. You guys can play. I'm just reading the chat to see what I'm gonna do next. I'll retry the Opera Connection now. Look specifically for that. If it appears on spec frame, it's alright. Without reloading it. Oh, okay, Yeiko. I'm from down to the Thailand, neighbor country of mine. So I'm thinking down. Where are you? In Malaysia? World Metrics? Hey, no name. Welcome, welcome. Hey, Lego. Welcome, welcome back. Oh, thank you. I didn't even, you know what? I've been so busy. I haven't even been able to celebrate that I've reached 9K subs. 1K more to 10K. Which is kind of crazy, but I've been so busy that I can't even keep track of what's going on anymore. Should I throw a party? How can I throw a party? Let's have a pool party, guys. Everybody come over. Okay, you're giving me prompts right now. E-command repair order. 1, render at normal browser and refresh. Okay, I'm just gonna copy and paste this. Make a party at the finish line. Yeah, just book the tickets for you. Okay. Oh, sorry, guys. Okay. One multiplayer is fixed. You should be good to do level design properly. Oh, once multiplayer. Okay. What's up, Lego? Oh, hold on, like, I'll give it to you, I'll give it to you. Okay, let me just read what this is, Nico, just because I do want to understand what I am putting in here. Render at a normal browser refresh rate while keeping the physics. Okay, this is 2. Raise snapshots. This is 3. Buffer, true more snapshots. Decouple host simulation. Oh, the hell this is for? Does this also, what did Azor say? He said that after a what did he say is a must? Let me find him. Because I agree. Spectator mode after course completion is a must. Once more, you should be good to do a level design properly. It's just the delays of what the join players see basically in the original game when it gets up. Okay. After a player finishes round. Okay. Is today the 26th? Oh no, it's the 26th. Finishes the round. I spectate. Okay. Victory dance, yeah. All right, guys, hold on 1 second. I just have to pee. Be right back. I'm back. Hey Abivnav, welcome. We need a full bouncy pad level. Oh, congratulations, Lego. I don't think I'm ever going to win at this game, but I don't care. I don't even care about winning. It's just so much fun. Oh, Abhinav, you have to go back and watch day 75. Everybody, all the mods got nuked. And I'm starting from scratch. I don't know if you're really active in the Discord, but there was a lot of stuff that went down, a lot of negativity, and it's nothing personal against you or anybody who was mod, but I had to do a reset of the foundation of the community because this is not a place for negative energy and for, you know, cursing people out and calling people names. So it wasn't you, but I suggest that you go to the Discord and read the message that I wrote to everybody. Please don't take it personal. Like, if you see Lego, his shield was removed, Zor's shield was removed, Jay's was removed as well, but we did a vote for the first for my first mod, and Jay won the vote. So the mods will slowly come back within a voting system, but I will be a lot more strategic and cautious about assigning mods. They have to bring value to the stream. I don't want to just mod anybody. I also don't want a chat full of mods, right? I do know a lot of streamers, you go into their streams and it's like the whole chat is a blue shield. And then it makes it feel like, I mean, I know in those streams, I feel like, do I even belong here? I'm not a mod. You know, people give out mod for no reason. Not that I was giving it out for no reason, but this time around, I'm just going to be, I have to proceed with caution. Basically, I have to proceed with caution. And it's not because of you, but, you know, it was only fair to nuke everybody. Yeah, it was a good reason to restart. All of us are back to normal. Apparently some idiot out there raided with illicit stuff. Not bad. Exactly, Code Bam. Only good vibes allowed. Honestly, at this point, any negative vibes, any negative chats, negative comments, I'm choosing to ignore them. I suggest that everybody just take the high road and be the bigger person and do the same. Because when people project negativity, it's a reflection of them, not a reflection of you, right? And we can only control how we react. So I'm choosing not to react to those things anymore. I'm choosing to just ignore them and not respond to them. I highly suggest that everybody be the bigger person and do the same thing. But we can only control how we react to people. We cannot control other people's actions. And that's how I operate in my everyday life. So I'm just trying, in my real life, so I'm just trying to apply the same philosophy here. No. You didn't do anything negative, but I removed it from everyone. It was only fair to remove it from every single person, whether they did something wrong or not, and start from scratch. So, you're not in the Discord. Are you able to join the Discord so you can read it? It was nothing against you, but I had to remove it from everyone and start from square one. That's all. And if you know that you didn't do anything wrong, like, you know you didn't do anything wrong. But I'm just asking you to just please respect what I did. And like I said, I feel like I'm in teacher mode a lot of the times in a classroom, right? It's always just a few students who ruin the party for everybody, but we just needed a reset. That's all. It has nothing to do with you. Don't worry about being out of station. I never required that from any of my mods, to be here every single day. I told everybody from the start, come and go as you please. You're never obligated to be here. So don't even worry about that. It's not that. It has nothing to do with you at all. Yeah, no. It's not. It's really not like that. But that being said, I just want to reiterate in terms of this channel and the chat and the Discord, like, from here on out, I am just choosing to ignore negativity. And I just highly suggest that everybody take the high road and do the same. There's no point in getting into arguments with people who are just being negative, right? Negativity, when people display that, it's a reflection of how they perceive themselves. And I've known that for a long, long time about people. So it's time to apply it here in the stream. But I was doing my work of muting negative comments on your show. No. I know. I know. Like I said, it has nothing to do with you. I couldn't remove every single mod and just keep you. You know what I'm saying? I had to do it for everyone. There are a lot of mods that it was taken away from that were, you know, doing a great job. But it was just, yeah. It was just, no, don't be sad. It's gonna be a slow rebuild. Okay? Don't be sad. Don't be sad. It has nothing to do with you, and I'm just asking you. I had to do it for me. It has nothing to do with you. So I'm just asking you to respect that. Like I said, sometimes there's just one or two students who ruin it for everybody, and that's how I feel in my classroom, right? So that's just what happened here. So please don't take it personally. Yeah. You have to also put yourself in my shoes. Just imagine the stress that I was under with, you know, having people in my community curse people out. It's a bad look for me. Okay, it's a bad look for me. So I just had to take action for my own brand, and my, you know, I don't want to be associated with that. And most of you did nothing wrong. But the way people treat each other here, it is a reflection of me. And I just decided, you know, I know that I'm too nice sometimes, and I was being too nice. I just can't stand for it anymore because I don't want that associated to me. Nobody's going to want to come in here if they're just getting cursed out. Like, who would want to be here? You know, so me too. So thank you for having empathy, you know, because at the end of the day, it all falls on my shoulders because it's my stream. And I just felt like it was becoming such a negative reflection on me. And I can't have that because it's just not the type of person that I am. I moved out of the United States to escape all that negative energy from people. And I was starting to feel it. So I just had to do what I had to do. And slowly but surely. Exactly. The channel will grow slowly and surely, and so will the mod team. And, but it has to be a slow process. I don't want to just, I want to think longer and harder about how I assign them. That's all. And I also think with mods, I think less is more. So I just need time to think about how I'm handling all of that. But so close to 10, it's fun seeing that. Oh, thank you, Lego. I know, Azor. I did feel that from you too. You know, you were the first mod that I assigned, and obviously I didn't know what I was doing. I assigned it to you because, you know, you were here from day one, and Azor, you know that you're just somebody that I trust. But then the way you reacted, it did make me feel like I gave you a responsibility that maybe you didn't want. So then I felt guilty. So again, I'm learning everything, you know, how to navigate all of these things. So, yes, we'll gradually get them back. Correction, the very next vote. Thanks for creating a product. Thanks, CodeBam, for recognizing that. It's really, before anything else, forget learning how to vibe code, right? Forget the YouTube channel. It's most important. The number one priority for me is that it's a positive space. And that's dead ass. I'm dead ass serious. That's number one. And I feel like I was losing that. So with losing that, I'm losing everything. So it is what it is. Hey, Mr. Word. What's up? Those emojis. I'm willing to, I don't know about that, Lego. It's already Wednesday. Thank you. Thank you for trusting me. But this kind of trust was embarrassing. This kind of trust was embarrassing from both sides. Was it? I don't know. But anyway, like I said, it is a trust thing now. Okay, what happened here? Let's enjoy the standing, Edward. I am enjoying the standing and the jumping. Yeah, no, I'm just ignoring Oh, Azor, I said that from day one. I said you're never obligated to be here. We all have our own lives. You know what I'm saying? We all have our own lives. Would never require anyone to be here every day, like mod or not mod. I would never have that expectation of anybody. No need to apologize. No, don't feel upset. You have to imagine how upset I feel, okay? Just imagine. Look back, key button. Look back, key button, and basic character creator on join. There. Okay, let's see. Let's test it. Over here, of course, yapping. Zora, I know you are. I know you are. And that's the thing too. It's like nobody even wants to even be my mod anymore because of all the shenanigans that have taken place. And I cannot even blame. I literally can't even blame anybody. I wouldn't want that responsibility either. What question? No, I just did a YouTube poll. Hi, Talking Mule. Welcome. Welcome. Slime, it makes me laugh that you are talking about respect. But that's all I'm going to say about it. I don't have time. I truly don't have time. And that's that. So, yeah, Lego, I just did a YouTube poll. That's all. Oh, J35 does an amazing job. Does an absolutely amazing job. And with, as busy as he is, he's a very busy man. He's a very busy man, but he somehow comes into everybody's stream and is such a bright light and brings so much positivity everywhere. And he's just great with all the responsibility that he has on his shoulders. Oh no, why is it lagging? I feel like. I feel like it's lagging now. The stream. 1 second, guys. Let me move this. Okay. Way smoother on your end. It's because I'm hosting, but I was hosting before. So what did it do? I'm doing more work now. Feel smooth to you too? Okay, I mean, I felt like it was lagging my stream. Yeah. I'll feel jitters, but that's fine. No, I know. 1-2. 1-2. Jab cross. Sorry, I saw you before. I didn't even say hi. I think there was a lot going on. 1-2. Okay, let me see. Yesterday, Lego. Literally yesterday. Okay, let me see if I can get this. All right, I think it's okay. It's not bad. But it did something that's making it heavier, I feel like. But you guys are saying the game runs smoother? Lego, I'm not sure yet. You know, I'm just feeling it out. I'm just testing it out. I do like this time. I think it's working a little bit better for me. But it all depends on when I wake up in the morning because I end work at 2 a.m. And then I wake up around 9, and then I started streaming at 11. Okay, let me close this out. There are some desync now. It seems like it was good at first and then probably got too demanding, stuttering on your end. Okay. And I do feel like it's starting to, it was slowing down my stream a little bit. Oh, Lego, you're telling me how much sleep I need? That's cute. No, but you're right. You're right. 8 hours of sleep is important, and I haven't been getting it. Because honestly, if I wake up at 10 a.m., I'll feel like a piece of shit. Like, I don't like to sleep late. Like, I like to seize the day, you know? So if I sleep too late, it's not good for me. So 9 a.m. is like the latest I'm willing to wake up. Okay, so there's some stuttering on, okay, so let me just, there's some desync now. I'm just gonna put this in. Some users are experiencing stuttering. Check the ping, it's sky high, but the frame rates are smooth. Interesting. When I play solo but slight stutters. Okay. Okay, I feel like we're making progress though. I do feel like we're making progress. It feels good. It really does feel good. I do have a long last name. It's 11 letters, Lego. It's 11 letters. Some of them are finished. Some of them are still in the works. You know, sometimes you just need to, switch it up for inspiration. But yeah, like the scroll animated website, that was just an experiment to see if I could build something like that because I really like those websites. So I wanted to just build one that wasn't really so important to learn how to do it. So that way, when it counts, I know how to do it even better. It's cool. My last name is cool. Country, what do you mean? Oh, your country that you want to build. Right? Oh, yeah, don't clock me. You clocking me? I don't like that. Yeah, we can make the country. Yeah, so Lego, let's focus on the game. And then we'll talk about the country. So the graphing calculator, it's in the works of being revamped because it became way too overwhelming. So I wanted to look at it as something, if it was a product to be sold, what would make it sellable? Like it had to become more user friendly. So that's being revamped a little bit. Doing a debug on solo just to double check with the updates. Okay. Also, doing this for my students has me thinking about something much larger. I'm standing. I've been oh, you really haven't been here for a while. I've been standing for a while now. I got a standing desk. I'm upgrading the setup one piece of equipment at a time. I got the standing desk like 2 weeks ago. I have some lighting over there. I gotta order a mic. I guess I gotta order a chair, but I like standing. Show your setup vlog? Well, yeah. Well, once I have the setup. No, not anymore, Lego. I've been standing for a long time. I'm a mover. I'm not a sitter. Sitting, I'm more awake when I'm standing, so. All right, hold on. Let me see. What did this do? 3 workable options. Expandable board per question. Let's go with your recommendation. So this whole, what I'm doing here every day, like my little daily project for the kids has me thinking about something larger. So I actually submitted my application for the channel to be monetized. I was able to do that recently. So it's in review right now. I don't know. I definitely don't have the best ideas when I'm sleepy, Zora. I have to tell you. When I'm sleepy, my brain kind of really like shuts off. But yeah, so Abhinav, I submitted the application for the YouTube paid partnership program and it's in review. So they say it typically takes like a month. All right, bye. Have a good class. Typically takes like a month. You need to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. But I think February 1st, they're changing the credentials a little bit, and now it's going to be 8,000 watch hours. But right now, until February, it's still 4,000 watch hours. Yeah. I was having a little bit of trouble with the AdSense account because there's 3 steps to the application, and the AdSense account first didn't get approved, but I think it was because I just needed to fill out my my W-9, like the tax form. But when I applied for the AdSense account, it never prompted me. 4,000 watch hours. So you know how people watch your videos or your live streams? Those the amount of time that they watch for, it accumulates minutes and hours, and that total of watch time has to add up to 4,000 hours. It's a lot. It's not easy to achieve. The 1,000 subscribers part is easy. Thank you, Code Bam. Thank you, Code Bam. Not you, Slime. I'm the one who researched that myself, and then you validated that was it. So I taught myself that. Yeah, wait, you've been banned. Why are you banned from AdSense, Mr. Word? Yeah, no, not you. Definitely not you. I'm the one who learned that myself and brought it up, and then you said, yeah, that's it. Not you. It's an account because when you get monetized, right? Part of the way you can earn from YouTube is through ads. You know, like when you have to watch an ad on YouTube, if you're not on the premium plan, you get ads. So you need an AdSense account for that to get paid from ads. I made a game that ends up clicking ads. Don't wow, it's true. Aw, Mr. Word. I don't know, the AdSense thing is a little bit like strict because I know other people that I know had trouble getting their channel monetized because they had more than one AdSense account per household. You're only allowed to have one per household or something like that. Yeah, Slime, I'm looking at one. I also want to be a YouTuber, but I don't know what to do, or I don't have a skill. So, well, what's something that you like? What's something that you're passionate about? Okay, what's this? The source investigation found clients could outturn hosts available. Yeah, passionate. Edwin. Edwin! You're so funny. Welcome back, Data Explorer. I'm so happy that you came in here today and that then Pro Panda came in a little while later and I got to connect you guys. I don't know, I feel like that was the universe. I'm really happy about that. That makes me happy. That's what this community is about. Oh, okay, then I don't. You could make videos about that. No, don't do that. But anything like a hobby, any hobby that you have other than watching my stream? I will give you copyright. Okay. Let us Jay. I cannot, you guys. How did we get shipped, guys? How did this all happen? Just make a video of you watching stream profit. Hey Hash, yeah, mostly from live streams. Definitely mostly from live streams. Right now, building this fun little game thanks to Jay, who started this. Let's see if it fixed what we needed it to. Okay, let me copy the info. Oh no, wait, let me go back. I don't want the bots. Can I make your highlights with edit and upload to your channel? You want to upload that to your channel? All right, guys, join in. See if it works better. Mr. Word. Here's Jay. Okay. All right. Anybody else? I think I have room for one more, right? It's 5 players. Okay, let me... All right, I'm going to start. I'll start round 1. Edwin just wants to walk. Oh, here we go. There's his door. Edwin just wants to watch me jump. Guys, I think I'm getting my workout here. Who needs the gym when you're playing this game? Standing up! Oh, shit. Okay. Whew. Oh, 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 oh. My poor space bar. That's all I have to say. RIP to my space bar because I'm like slamming on it, like as if that's gonna do anything to help me. Ooh, that was kind of cool. Oh, now spectating. Cool. Fun. Jump, jump, jump. If you like me, a certain song came to mind. Oh no, which one? Actually, one comes to my mind, but I'm not sure if it's the same one. That's okay. All right, now we vote, right? Yeah, that's what everybody keeps saying. Oh. Oh, oh, sorry, chick. Ah. Can I just run through these? Oh no, they're not. Ah, no, no, no. You like to win? Don't be... I know. We all like to win. We all like to win for sure, but... No, we're still playing. It's in different rounds. You're still in. We're gonna keep going. We're gonna go to another round. You vote on the next round. So you have another chance. Oh, you left. I think you can still join with the same, I mean, you tell me if you could join with the same link. I would like to use the spacebar to cycle through who I am spectating. Okay, all right. We can do that. Damn, guys, I have to dye my hair so bad. It looks so bad on camera. I don't have time. When will I do it? Maybe Thursday? Maybe Friday? Oh! I was thinking that too. Then I was also thinking of another one. But... Make me win. You gotta make yourself win. Oh no. Damn it. All the way to the beginning. Shit. No. No, no, no. Mother. Okay, gotta focus, gotta focus, gotta focus. Why am I doing so bad right now? My hands are sweating. Jay, why are you standing there? Are you distracting me? I know, I'm like, it's distracting me. Ah! Come on! Jesus. Here you go. Alright. Oh, come on! What the? The troll. Oh my god. So what did it just like time out? DNF, did not finish. Make a new game, I'm not there. Okay, okay, we're testing. We're testing it. Should I make a new one? Or what needs to be, okay, so what needs to be done now? The spacebar thing? Or the mouse click you said? Make it for them, make a new round? Okay, let me make, all right, I'm gonna restart. Can I end this somehow? So they can all play too, okay. All right. New party. Not a prayer. Okay. Okay. Mr. Word. All right. Oh, wait. No, not the freaking vibe bots. Wait, why were they there? Okay, good. All right. Here you go. All right, oh, let's wait. I have Jay. Anybody else? If you want to play, you don't have to play. You don't have to play. Oh, you're already getting a head start. Oh my god. All right, let's start. Jesus. The username. It's waiting for me. Oh. That delay. Jay. Damn, this one's hard. Okay. Oh, whoa, whoa, no, no, no. I just wanted to take a breather. I'm getting knocked. Run, 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 run! Okay. That delay. There's still some input lag. Yeah, definitely, but way smoother now. Okay. It does feel smoother. It does feel smoother. You gotta practice. I mean, I'm just happy I'm not coming in last. You have to practice. It's smooth, but there's a 2-second lag between you hitting the button and then seeing it. Okay, so maybe I'll work on that next. Oh, you don't be a sore loser. Practice makes perfect. We can't just like the things that we're good at. Then there's no challenge, you know? When you're the best at something, it's boring. Come on, Abhinav, you can do it. You can do it. You can do it. Here's a trick that Josh taught me. He said jump with the space bar first and then press forward after. Try that. Jump and then forward. Jump first and then forward. It's KBEX. Hi, Tino. Come on, you can do it. You can do it. Jump and then forward. Jump forward. Good, good. Go, go, go. Keep going. You got to keep going. Because that's going to fall. Jump and forward and run it. Run it, run it, run it, run it. Keep going forward. Keep going forward. Keep moving. Run, run, run. Don't jump. Just run straight, 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 straight. There you go. There you go. You got it. You got it. You got it. You got it. Okay, good. Good. You got it. You got this. Woohoo! Jump. Forward. Jump. Okay. There. See? Yay. Okay. No, you're last, but don't be discouraged. Now you just have to keep practicing. Exactly, let's go. See, it's fun. It's fun. Okay, let's see. Where are the lily? I haven't seen any lily pads. Where are the lily pads? See whoever has. Ban them? What do you mean? Okay, now you know. See, that's it. Oh, look, now you're even ahead of me. You're already better than me. Oh, in the game? Why? Why ban them? Why ban them? Oh my god, these damn balls. Ah! Ooh, this one is... Look, you're even better than me now. Oh, this is hard. Shh. Ooh, I did it. Ah, no. Ooh. Okay. So close. Ooh, yes. Okay. Out of breath. The rotating thing pushed me to the end of the map. You got this. You got this. I went space, forward, side. That was difficult though. The delay is wild? Oh no. Okay, so how do I fix that, the delay? I was encouraging you. I'm sorry. Oh, you wanted me to like cheer for you again? You wanted me to be like the stage mom again? Okay, I will. The soccer mom. Okay, next time I got you. I'll be the soccer mom again. Okay, all right. Well, let's fix that next. Let me just let's get through this and then let me play soccer mom. this one. Ooh. This makes me want to go to a trampoline park. Oh, man. These damn balls. Let's go, let's go. You can do it. Just slow and steady, slow and steady, slow and steady. Just wait, wait, wait. Okay, go, go, go. Stop, stop. Go, go, go. Go, 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 go. Ah! Go, 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 go. Okay. All right. Let's go. See, you got it. Oh, you can't, because I think it's only 5 players. So hold on. Let me see. I'll start another one. Let me see if I could fix. You think the latency is because she's hosting the location is in Thailand? That also could be the case, Jay, because I am in Thailand. Okay. Should I try to fix that issue? The delay? Yeah, so Jay is right next door to me. So Jay is pretty close. Let me see if I could try to fix that. So it's the delay. There's some input lag. Some input lag. Because you know what? Because I don't think I'm really experiencing that lag. So it might be, well, because I'm hosting it, maybe it is because I'm in Thailand. There's some input lag and many users are experiencing a delay. It's smooth, but there's a 2-second lag. Users are saying there's a 2-second lag between you hitting a button and then seeing it. That won't be fixable if it's latency from hosting. It can be optimized. Just try it. All it can do. If you're not experiencing it's likely latency, you might be able to optimize packet transport. Okay, hold on. Let me just put this prompt in. I'll be the soccer mom again in a minute. He's right, but the code's still basic. Lots to improve. Someone from the U.S. can create lobby, and we can. That's true. Somebody from the U.S. can create one. Can we optimize this? Might be because. Okay, I am hosting from Thailand and many okay, so Princess Run. Bring this down. Code EF. Okay. Welcome to the villa. When did that get put in? Oh, I do see. I am experiencing that lag, I think. Yeah. Yeah. No lag for you now. Oh, What if I... Ah, okay. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, that sucks. That's pretty bad for you guys. Like, I don't want it to play like that. Damn, that's crazy. That's crazy. Like, and then it's like, where do I jump? You never knew the tiles fell down? Wait, the delay is actually nuts. Oh, and I'm not even, it's very strange. Now, look, I'm like floating in the middle of nowhere, but that didn't happen to me when I was hosting it. You finished with the lag. I don't know if I'll ever finish with the lag. Shh. I can't even tell what's going on. It's like I'm drunk or something. Okay. Yeah, I'm surprised you did as well, as you did like that. It's already a challenge for me when it's smooth. Mind you, like that. Okay, let's see. It's definitely that. I mean, if you're hosting it in the United States and it was like that for me, that's definitely the issue. And then how do we fix that? Like, what if I went on a VPN? But that doesn't solve it for everybody because we're all from all over the world, you know? Have a good lunch. Thank you for joining. Thank you for playing. I loved encouraging you. It's the same. It's the same. Spinning on game servers. You can probably get it fixed with some optimization on the packets. So it's not like crap internet, yeah. Well, there's not really fixed to a gamepad ping and stuff. However, I agree with this. Okay. Hey, Tong. Welcome. Hey, my Chilean. And maybe some routing settings. Okay, let's see. Well, it's doing something, so let's see. Let's see this light. Okay, I got you. Ask chat if it's making use WebSockets running over TCP. What does that mean, Tino? All right, let me check on this. Oh, nice. Okay. That's good. Perfect. This is good for them. This is good for them. You could have each person have their own individual game state, but that would likely cause other issues and not be worth it. Okay. All right, let's see what we can do. I can't believe you guys were playing like that. I'm so sorry. I'm over here having fun, jumping around, and you guys are dealing with that. I was like, what lag are they talking about? Now I know. I am so sorry. Okay, yesterday we only got through half the lesson. So we ended off with the first at scene 6. Can you create a link for me that starts us off at scene 7 so we don't have to click through the entire lesson again today? Also, the pencil tool needs to be optimized. It wasn't functioning properly yesterday. Have each person. Okay, I read that. The system must use WebSockets to stream. Minimal player. Depends on the client. Must handle long distance latency packet. And temporary network dropouts. Catch up. State recovery system. Okay, let's see what it says. Wow, how have I only used 5%? This Codex plan is everything, everything. Okay, so, oh, I didn't finish my thought. This is not something I'm saying I want to jump into doing right now. It's just it's an idea that I always had before I even started vibe coding. And planning these daily lessons for my students have really got me thinking that I always thought of like building my own virtual school in a way. But okay, so for example, the company that I work for, they onboard certified teachers like myself who want to work virtually. And then they connect with school districts and link the teacher and the school district together. I feel like that, like what they're doing, it's actually a really good business, especially how everything is becoming more and more digital. And I feel like it is the future of education. And like once I got hired on that platform, I was like, well, how can I start a business like that? And more teachers are leaving the profession. They're leaving the physical classroom. So the demand for virtual teachers is more. I don't know how I would want to go about it. I don't. But planning these daily lessons has got me thinking. Hi, Never Love. Good morning. Good morning. How are you? Okay, Mr. Word. Since the game is using P2P networking, international players are experiencing latency. Can we improve the packet size optimization? That's my prompt for, okay. Let me copy this. Okay, it did something. Let's see if this did anything. Before I run that prompt. All right, I'm gonna hard refresh this. Welcome to the villa. I love that. Okay. You need to somehow make some kind of VR glasses for school edition and make the, yo, 1, 2, jab cross. Oh yeah, the bot. Sorry guys, hold on, let me redo it. Thank you. Use this one, guys, use this one. 1, 2, no way, really? That's actually a really great idea. The VR glasses for schools, I think it's super important, but you're right, it's not price accessible. Schools can't afford it, but that's what they need to be using. So I need to be thinking in that way, because the whole the conversation that we had the other day with like the whole visa business idea, it got me thinking of maybe a better business idea. And education, I mean, that is what I'm actually certified in, and working in the system, like I know that there are so many improvements that need to be made. And even talking to Anthony about, trying to make a difference, like maybe I need to be thinking in this direction in terms of business. Yes, Never Loved. It's like 70% better, not ideal, but better. Okay. 70% is a lot. Now there is a little stuttering. Okay. So, Mr. Word, do you think I should still run that prompt that you just gave me? Oh, yay, Tino's there. Sorry, obviously I can't talk and do this at the same time. Jay is still... Oh no, Jay! You'll catch up to me in no time. Oh, he's right there. How? Oh! I'm not concentrating, I'm thinking. I'm thinking about the school. That's what's going on in my brain right now. Hold on. I'll be right back in the chat in a second. Ooh, I'm getting hungry. This is weird. I also usually never eat before the gym, but if I'm gonna stream at this time, I have to eat my lunch before the gym. I usually work out fasted. Oh, what happened? Oh wait, I never started round one. I'm such an idiot, guys. Oh my god. What am I doing? Alright, we playing now for real. What happened? So what happened, Never Loved, is yesterday, Jay sent me this. He came up with this. He came up with this whole idea because I think, you know, he and probably many people saw me struggling to kind of develop what kind of game I wanted to, and he just guided me in the right direction. And I'm loving it. It's so much fun. It's so much fun. Playing now for real. I instantly died. Yeah, so last iteration made significant improvements, but players are still experiencing delays. Okay, the system must use WebSockets to stream minimal player intents from the client. It must handle long distance. Okay, so Tino, I should put that in too. All right, let's see. Tino on it? Okay, all right, let's put that all in. The spec has been building for hours. I do. Let's see what this does, and then I think I'm gonna have to head to the gym, guys. I can get carried away with this, let me tell you. I can really get carried away with this. And start streaming in the morning. This is good for them. Yeah, so the school idea. I don't know how I would want to, I have to really think. 1, 2, jab cross. I want to call you jab cross. Jab cross, I agree with your idea about the VR glasses type of thing. So Jay, I think maybe you should take a rest during that time. Take a nap. That's your break time. Yeah, so the whole school thing. Because I feel like I actually have the right idea about how education should run. And I have all the experience. I've taught globally. So I don't know. But the company that I work for, I feel like they have the right idea. They are finding the certified teachers and they're connecting them with school districts who need virtual teachers. And the thing is they're not, trust me, as somebody who works for them, they're not paying the virtual teachers that much. So we got VR classes in education already. We use them in yeah, never loved it because you're in a private school, right? But for a public school, they're definitely not using those yet. It's definitely not in the budget for them. Hey, Stefania. Yeah, early stream today. I think I'm experimenting, moving my streaming time to break up my own screen time with the gym. So previously I was going to the gym and then streaming and then working, which is basically, my job is basically streaming all night. But I want to try streaming, working out, and then working. My watch keeps telling me to stand, but I am standing. I know, he doesn't rest. He does not rest. So, yeah, just testing it out. I'm liking it though, but I can see myself getting really, really distracted. It's like switching from Claude to Codex, and I don't have my session limit anymore. Right now I have no limits. But I will limit myself because the gym is it's literally the most important part of my routine, so I can never ever lose that. They're expensive and annoying to maintain. So Never Loved, how does it go? Like, are your students, do they know how to use them? Because what I'm noticing in the public schools that I have worked at in person and virtually, these kids don't know anything about tech. They don't know how to use anything. In public schools, it's really, like, you should see the struggle every day for them to just set up to log on to a Teams meeting. It's like they're struggling to do that, which is really sad to see. It's like the basic of the basic they're struggling to do. So I can only imagine, I think, like, give them a pair of VR glasses, like, they're not gonna know how to act. When I'm saying VR glasses for a school edition, I'm thinking about homeschooling while being virtually in a classroom where kids can see each other. Oh, no. I know what you're saying. I know what you're saying. I feel like that is the future of education. Every pupil in our school has an iPad or MacBook. Oh, okay. Well, that's nice that they each have an iPad or a MacBook. That's nice. No, Jab Cross. I see where you're going with this. Hey, Surf, welcome. I finished many things. If you give kids VR glasses, you will not be able to know if they are actually doing work. Oh, well, actually Never Loved, I don't know about this year. But in the school that I worked at last year, because this year it looks like they're not giving me access to the school platforms. But last year I had access to the school platforms, and there was an app where I could actually see their screen. So I could see everything that they were doing. Like a lot of them, they kept watching this show. What was it called? Baddies US. They were all watching Baddies US. And I had to I could close out their tabs. So something like that would have to be put in place if they were using VR glasses. My 6-year-old vibe codes cartoon websites and could start my piece. Wow, but that's great, Tino. Because I'm telling you, these kids are in high school and they don't know how to get onto a Teams meeting. So that it just makes me sad to see them functioning at that level. This year they're a little bit better than last year. Last year the kids, they really did not know how to operate anything. The kids that I taught. Okay, wait. What's happening here? Yep, Never Loved. And I know that you know that because I know you also work in a school. So I know that you're seeing what I'm seeing. You know, maybe it's a little better for you because you're in a private school. So it seems like you have access at least to more resources. But it's bad. It's if you work in education, you know that it's really bad out there. Okay, this one should almost be done. You might get Codex. Do it, Code Bam. It's been really good. I've been loving it. I'm really happy I made that decision. They do. They really, really do. They do always find, and I don't know, Never Loved. I don't know where you're based, but I know, and it's not just in the U.S. I surprisingly saw it when I worked at the school in Thailand. That it's like the culture is now that the adults let them get away with avoiding work. Where, as teachers now, it's there's a fine line as to what rules we can actually implement. You know, if I'm a little too stern with the kids, then I get in trouble for that now. Where it's like, I don't know, when I was in school, the teachers were able to lay down the law without any questions asked. Montessori education since preschool. Oh, nice! Congratulations to your 7th grader getting a black belt. That's awesome. Unless you made the glasses yourself and you control the software. Had a desk in the office. Oh no, Yako. Yeah. School's not, but also Yako, I do agree with that. Oh yeah, that's right, you're in the UK. You're in the UK. Yeah, the parents, like, I don't know. It's, you're right. They are COVID babies. You're right. Yako, you're right though. School is not for everyone. And I remember when I was teaching in Brooklyn, and I saw, you know, some of the kids, and the reality is college or university wasn't for them, for some of them. And I didn't want to encourage them to do that. Like there are other jobs that you can do if school is not for you. And, you know, as teachers, we're supposed to encourage college and career readiness. But when students would have real one-on-one conversations with me and they asked me if they should go to college or not, you know, for some of them I said no, maybe it's not for you. Look into doing X, Y, or Z, right? We need plumbers. We need construction workers too. Like, and some of them are just built for that. College is a scam, I think. I think it's a scam. Unless you want to be a teacher, doctor, lawyer, or one of these professions that requires a degree, like, I'm sorry, but going to school for business, like, you don't need it. In my opinion, you don't need a degree in business. Journalism, like these random ass majors. Like art, do you need a degree in art to become a successful artist? Like, I don't know. It's just, it's a business, and I think it's a scam. And as a teacher, I probably shouldn't say that to my students, but I just keep it real with them because it's not for everybody. It's really not for everybody. There's a difference though, because I'm telling you guys, these kids are. No, I know that. Okay, I'll give you an example of how little these students can actually make connections. So last year, I taught in a school in New York State. Right, my kids were in New York State. I was in Thailand. I never told them I was in Thailand. Okay, they would ask me where I was from. I told them I was from New York City. They were in upstate New York. I told them I'm from New York City. I'm from Brooklyn. Okay, throughout the school year, they started to find my social media. They found my TikTok. And I was posting every single day. I was posting something about living in Thailand. They were following me on TikTok, but they never made the connection that I live in Thailand. They would still ask me every day, like, how's Brooklyn? What's the weather like in Brooklyn? Is it snowing in Brooklyn? They would ask me this every day, but they followed me on TikTok, and I post content about living in Thailand, but they couldn't make that connection. So that's what's going on. Nothing wrong with having those degrees until it comes with practical stuff. Yeah, no, nothing wrong with having those degrees, Jay, but I feel like, oh, okay, thank you, Mr. Ward. Thank you for all your help. Thank you for all your help today. Thank you so much. Like I saw this college, don't remember the name, but they allow students to group for business degree. College provides on their own. Yeah, no, I don't disagree with you, Jay. There's nothing wrong with having those degrees, but I feel like, I don't know, where I was working anyway, it's so like we brainwash everyone that they have to go to college, where just for some particular types of people, it wouldn't benefit them. Like they would benefit from using their skills and their talents elsewhere. I just want them to know that they don't have to go to college, that there are other ways to be successful that might work better for the individual. Because it was sad to see some of them, I saw them graduate, they went to college, like community college, and I already knew based on how they were operating in high school, where we baby them, we handhold them, you know, and I would see them, they would come back to visit the next year and they dropped out. They're like, I couldn't do it. It was too hard. And this was like community college, which is the one in South Brooklyn anyway. It's also kind of hand-holding. So if they were struggling there, you know, and I wish that somebody would have told them like, hey, like, you don't have to go to college. You can do something else. I don't know. A lot of them can't afford it anyway to like waste their money figuring that out. Okay, I'm yapping. If these kids would put the energy they got avoiding work into working, exactly, and the fees they paid goes into their own business. Oh, that's a nice program, though. That's a nice program, Jay. Yeah, and you know what, Trav? I actually did the same thing. I got my bachelor's degree, and then I took 2 years off before getting my master's to become a teacher. And during those 2 years, that's when I was a dance teacher and a choreographer and a judge for a dance competition. Because once I finished my bachelor's degree, I just felt like I had been in school literally for my entire life. And I was just like, I just need a break. I'm so mentally tired and I'm so schooled out that I don't think I'm in a good mental position to start my career. So I took 2 years off. And then when I was ready, I went back and I got my master's and became a teacher, because I just needed that break, and I needed to just be sure, like, is that what I wanted to do? And I wish I was having that break now, because it's not what I want to do anymore. So look at that. I saw that, Jay. I saw that. I'm waiting for the Pro M6, but I'm wondering, it's probably better for me to get the Pro and have a laptop, right? Because originally somebody had told me about the Mac Mini, but I don't know if that's for me. I think it's cheaper than the Pro. Okay, let's see if this works, and then I gotta get to the gym. Let's see if this is any better. Oh, the bots. Yeah, the reason why I'm leaning towards the Pro is because of when I travel. I would like to be able to bring a laptop that I could stream on. You know, when I take more casual trips, when I travel like domestically around Thailand, or if I go to Laos or something like that, not like, you know, if I do a big adventure like Pakistan, obviously I won't be streaming or anything like that, but I do some more like casual travel. I was in Malaysia in May. I was in Penang just for a visa run. So when I have to do my visa run and things like that, I wanted to have a powerful laptop to stream on. Okay. Let's see if this is any better. But the Mac Mini also sounds interesting, so I'm wondering the pros and cons. Like, I'm wondering what I should do. And that's out now. And I think it's cheaper than the Pro. So I don't know what to do. Gotta do some. Oh man, I was so close. How's it feeling, y'all? Because I'm hosting it, so, you know, for me, it's smooth. Is it any better? There's a site called Black Market, good for cheap laptops. Okay. It worked better. Now let me smoke, y'all. Okay, Tino. Let's do it. Yeah, I don't know about that. But I guess I'm between the Pro M6 when it comes out, if it ever comes out. Like, how long am I going to be waiting? And I know that the Mini M6 just came out, so like, would I benefit more from getting that since I have a laptop? I don't know. I gotta figure it all out. Come on, Tino, I thought you were gonna smoke us. Look at me talking smack. Oh, Tino. This part is hard, actually. Ah, shit. Go, no, move. Oh, Jesus. Ah. Oh, oh no. Okay. Jesus. Jay is just waiting. Like, what's taking everybody so long? Oh no, I gotta start all the way back here. Oh, come on. I gotta get to the gym. I'm gonna be here all day trying to jump. My hands are sweaty. Oh, okay, thank God. Well, Jay, we're not all pro. Tino, I thought you were gonna smoke us. I thought you were gonna smoke us. Just get the M5. It's enough. I like your little jumps. Oh, thanks. I can't help it. I can't help it. 1, 2. I can't help it. Yes, I do want to see it. Let that be the last thing let's see it. Let's see the clip. Let that be the last thing, and then I really have to head to the gym. Because otherwise time will just slip away from me. I'm having so much fun. Okay, so but Tino, was it better? Or, you know, I know for Jay it wasn't lagging that much, but Trav and Tino, is the lag any better? Let's see the clip. All right, hold on. Let me shut off the music. Try it to actually improve. Like, how are we setting controller? Hold on. Let me see something. Let's see this. Poor Josh. Oh no, it's not available anymore. It was feeling pretty laggy. The leg was much better this time. I'm all the way in Africa, so it's good. Okay. But it might just be because you're in California. Okay. So it was still feeling pretty laggy. Damn. What did it say? That it did.
I appreciate it, brother. Look at me, I'm hard. Street shades, cash only. I'm hard. Guys, look at me. Oh my god, I'm hard.
How many times is he gonna say it?
I appreciate it, brother. Look at me, I'm hard. Street shades, cash only. I'm hard. Guys, look at me. Oh
How
my god.
he does it to himself. How many, like, how he had to say it like 3 times? He didn't realize after the first time he said it that this was going to be clipped instantly. Yeah, peer-to-peer might not be the ticket if you got people all over the world. Dang. Good way to get something up and tested though. Yeah. All right. So we'll I think we made a lot of progress though, so we'll just pick it up tomorrow. Hey Logi, I'm about to hop off. I gotta head to the gym. But I mean, I feel like we did make improvements though. And we learned a lot, got a lot of information. Maybe peer-to-peer might not be the ticket. So yeah. All right. Thank you, Codebamp guys. It was a great stream. I really do like streaming at this time. I'm having fun, and thank you guys for the positive energy, and understanding my stance on things. And yeah, you guys are great. I love you guys so much. Yeah, thank you guys for hanging out. What a nice way to start my morning. So thank you guys for watching. Thank you, Yako, Jay, Codebam, Laji, Trav, Tino, 1-2, Jab Cross, Never Loved. We had a lot of people here today. Mr. Word, thank you. You were such a big help today as well. Surf, Safanya. I'm ready to find out who can be. Yes, Edwin. Oh my God, Edwin, I'm so happy that you enjoyed my jumping. I can't help it. I can't do this without jumping, guys. So just be prepared for all the jumping if I'm going to be playing this. Abhinav, I'm sorry I made you sad, but thank you. I think you understood. I'll continue to be your soccer mom when you play this game. Thank you, Millsy. Between Millsy, Jay, and Ultra, the 3 musketeers. Trolling in the chat. Where else? Who else? Oh, Data Explorer. Thank you. You were new today. And Pro Panda. Thank you, Slime. Codebam. I think I said Codebam already. And I can't see it anymore, but I know Ultra was here. Ultra the comedian now. All of a sudden, Ultra's a comedian, guys. But I hope you guys have an amazing evening, morning, afternoon, wherever you are in the world. And I will see you tomorrow to keep jumping around. See you guys tomorrow.